Hey guys, got another review for you today. Kind of an install. I recently have purchased a new truck, and the few things that I have, put in the bed of my truck for home improvements and stuff. It's marked up my bed. I don't know if you can. I'll flip you around. So you see them marks from where? I mean, it's not terrible, but. So what I did, turn you around here a bit, is I picked up this like fitted bed mat, and if you can see, the sides go up just a hair. And guys, it's as simple as you've seen, the bed of my truck's wet, so I made sure to clean it out, wash any grime or dirt that was in the bed itself. And guys, this thing is as simple as sliding it in. So it's a non-slip mat, so nothing you put in the bed should be slipping around, unless it's like a cooler maybe, because it's got a real smooth bottom, but it's real grippy on top, so it may even hold that. But I'm real impressed with the quality of it, how thick it is, and the fact that it goes up, the side of the bed just a hair, just in case, you spill any liquid or something like that. It's not going to go over the edge and get under it, say like gasoline. This thing, it is chemical resistant, excuse me. But if you spill gasoline or spill any kind of liquid in the bed of your truck, it's not going to be able to go up this side and get under it and, continually keep under this mat wet, or, possibly damage the paint on the bed of your truck. So let me flip you around and I'm going to show you how easy this is to install. And guys, I mean, if you're doing any kind of hauling, in your truck, I mean, this is a no-brainer. Like I'd rather accidentally tear this up or something like that rather than damage the bed of my truck. And that is the whole point of this. So let me flip you around and I'm going to show you how easy this thing installs. So I got the camera flipped around, guys, and I'm telling you, it's nothing harder than picking it up and sliding it into the bed of the truck. Let me show you. Drop it in the bed like that. Hold it. Push it forward. Guys, up front. There we go. Guys, look how nice that fits. Look at that. And like I said, it goes up the walls, I don't know, maybe an inch or something. So like I said, if you spill anything or you got, sand or gravel, it's not going to be able to get up that side and get down underneath the bed cover. What I would suggest, guys, is that when you get this, is that, like, I laid it out in the garage for a few days, because when you buy it, it's in a box folded up. So it needs a couple days to kind of relax back into the shape it should be. But guys, as you can see, it fits the ribs. Pull you a little closer here. Fits all the ribs of the bed. And, if for any reason you ever want to take it out, guys, you just pick it up, pull it, slide it back in. So guys, everybody that has a truck, you need a bed cover of some sort. And I know my truck is rhino lined, but I don't even want to damage the rhino liner for if I throw in bricks or rocks or whatever in the bed of my truck. This is definitely going to protect the bed of my truck. And the quality of this, guys, nice and thick, real heavy duty, and it fits the bed just perfectly. Slide it in. There you go. You got this little space here. I know that may look short, but that's so this shelf on my tailgate does not smash that down. So it doesn't interfere with the proper my tailgate functioning. So guys, you got to check these out. I mean, I'm super pleased with the quality of this. And again, the sides that go up, guys, your bed walls a little bit, that's where it's at. You want that. So, guys, check them out on Amazon. I'm sure if you purchase one for your truck, you won't be disappointed in the buy. Thanks a lot, guys.